Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different signs of plant stand. Three plant stand looking so beautiful and nice. These three plant stand looking so beautiful and nice. The designs of stand I have added to my video are very trendy these days. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. Please take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.